Good morning. This is a relatively quick video regarding this C-Tech or CE-Tech. What is this thing? It appears to be a CE-Tech 100133840 6-foot 12 outlet surge protector with a 3.1 amp USB charger and the ability to be a surge protector for coax and RJ45 network connections. I purchased this for my new house. I've not yet moved in there, but I wanted one of these that had these far apart outlets, but also had more room or had other outlets so you could plug more stuff in it. I didn't really care about the USB charger, but that is helpful. And so we'll just really quickly see that you can plug in all sorts of different chargers. And you know, you can even, in some cases, you can see that with some chargers you're going to have a bit of a problem with these center ones, but it does give you more options. Plug that one there and then plug this one here. I'll show you the USB. We'll see that you can see it's putting out 4.93 volts right now. I have a different USB tester and it was saying that it was putting out exactly 5 volts, so I'm not sure which one is the most accurate. This thing puts out 3.1 amps, but that's shared between these two, so it's effectively 1.5 amps. And if we hook it up to a phone with a USB-C, that it does turbocharging, and you'll see that it puts out the 5 volts. And it's putting about 250 milliamps. So this thing is not engaging turbo mode, but this could be because either this cable, although actually if we plug it directly into my phone, it is charging, but it is not charging in turbo mode. Yeah, just normal charging. So it which means that it would probably only charge at a maximum of 0.5 amps, regardless of what this says. It also has a 90-degree plug, so you can put it behind things and get a little bit more flush. I have not tested this for the surge protector, and I don't ever expect to use it for either that or the coax. You can hang it on a wall, and that's it. I just thought, if I didn't already mention it, these cost, if you go to Home Depot, they're $54, but I got these off of eBay for, I think they were $25 a piece. No particular seller. The one seller only had one, and one seller only had two, and I needed three. So anyways, that's it.